Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find organization ID for Workday. So, to get started, make sure that you already have downloaded the Workday application from either Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. So, your organization ID will depend on your company or organization. In some cases, all you have to do is enter in your company name as your organization ID, and you should be good to go. You can also access your organization ID through the Workday website. Just click on the avatar icon found at the top right corner of your screen, then select My Account, then click on Organization ID to see your organization's QR code. You can use this QR code to log in to your Workday account. You can always ask your company or organization if you're having trouble in finding your organization ID. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!